don't pick any leaves. We don't pick any flowers. No snail shells in the pockets. Mom doesn't like those in the laundry. Okay. No acorns. We can pick them up and we can look at them, and then where are they going to go?
Back to
Back on the ground. We want to leave them here for other friends to see. Actually have a footprint.
Is that a frog?
Sorry. I'm going to give this to the adults in the group so you can pass those around, and we're going to see if we can figure out whose animal foot you have.
It's a dog.
You guys all agree that this is a rock?
Yeah.
Can you thumbs up if you're ready?